Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Calm. Join us for a candid and straightforward review of the Calm app, one you should definitely watch before subscribing. Calm is a meditation and sleep app crafted to help users alleviate stress, sharpen mental clarity, and boost their overall well-being. It offers a diverse range of resources, including guided meditations, soothing sleep stories, targeted breathing exercises, and calming relaxation music. The app caters to a broad spectrum of users, from complete beginners taking their first steps into meditation to seasoned practitioners seeking further guidance. A particularly noteworthy feature is the Daily Calm, a fresh meditation session released each day, designed to help you begin or conclude your day with purposeful intention. Calm also boasts a collection of sleep stories narrated by well-known figures like Matthew McConaughey, which have proven immensely popular among those who struggle with insomnia or simply want to unwind before sleep. Beyond this, Calm offers a variety of breathing exercises and mindfulness tools to assist in managing anxiety and enhancing focus, making it a versatile tool for both relaxation and increased productivity. However, Calm does come with a price tag. While a free version is available, the premium subscription is required to unlock the full breadth of content. This cost might be a barrier for some, especially considering the availability of competing apps that offer similar features at a lower cost or even for free. Another potential drawback is that while Calm's content library is extensive, it might not fully satisfy the needs of more experienced meditators seeking more intensive or specialized sessions. Furthermore, the celebrity-narrated sleep stories, while popular, may strike some users as a bit distracting or gimmicky rather than genuinely relaxing. Overall, Calm excels at delivering high-quality, accessible content geared towards those primarily seeking stress reduction, improved sleep, and foundational mindfulness practices. If you're new to meditation or looking for assistance with sleep, Calm is likely a worthwhile investment. However, if you're a seasoned meditator or prefer free resources, exploring alternative apps before committing to Calm's premium subscription is advisable.